What is the structure and working principle of the travel switch? Hello everyone, welcome to Xiaokai's talk. I am Kacon Electromechanical Lu Dongsheng. In this episode, I will explain the working principle and structure of this travel switch. Regardless of the switch head being a stainless steel roller, the normal operation involves an object colliding with the roller, driving a white rod. Of course, this white rod is also made of stainless steel. The rotation of the white rod drives the shaft, which in turn moves the plunger inside, causing the contact action. The contact at the bottom is a wall contact, while the one at the top is a normally open contact, so the white rod moves. The deformation of the dynamic side piece below triggers a transformation of our dynamic contact to switch between normally open and normally closed states, with the bottom using an aluminum alloy base, and the key parts made of stainless steel for durability, and rubber is used. The piano rubber is resistant to aging, dust, and water, with an overall protection level of up to IP65. Depending on the customer's different usage environments, we can adjust the installation direction. For example, for this model, its normal structure is facing forward. By loosening this fixed screw, we can rotate its head 90 degrees without affecting its functionality. If your operating surface is not at 90 degrees, you can adjust the position of the white rod by turning this screw. It not only has a forced disconnect function, but even if our contacts are welded due to high current, when we push the rod down, the contacts will be forced to disconnect. The previous video content explained the working principle and basic structure of this travel switch. Did you understand, folks? If you are interested in this travel switch, feel free to leave a comment in the section below for discussion. We will reply promptly and can provide free samples for you to try. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.